Now let us study about what is an electric circuit. An electric circuit provides a complete path for producing electricity between the two terminals of the cell. The direction of current is from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Then the bulb lights up when the circuit is complete. There are two types of circuit, an open circuit and a closed circuit. An open circuit means it is an incomplete circuit. That means the circuit is broken and the bulb will not glow. Whereas a closed circuit means the circuit is complete and the bulb will glow. When the filament of the bulb gets broken, we say that the bulb is fused. The bulb may get fused due to some of the reasons. A break in its filament means a break in the path of the current between the two terminals of the cell. The bulb may get fused when too much of electricity passes through it suddenly. We will learn about how to make a homemade torch. Okay. For that, we are going to take a cell, an electric cell. An electric cell is taken and a piece of wire. Okay. Then remove the plastic covering from the two ends of this wires. Then wrap one end of the wire around the, here I have taken not a torch bulb but an LED bulb. LED bulb has got two terminals. The longer terminal is attached to the positive terminal of the cell and the shorter one is always connected to the negative terminal. Okay. So I have taken two cells. One end of the wire is connected to the negative terminal of the electric cell. Okay, I have taken two cells. Then other end of the wire is connected to the shortest terminal of the LED bulb. If you are connecting to a torch bulb, you can wrap this wire around the base of this electric bulb. Now terminal of the LED bulb to the positive terminal of the cell. When you bring this, you can see that the bulb glows. This is the homemade torch. When you remove the longer terminal of the bulb, you can see the bulb will not glow. When you touch this, the bulb again glows. This is a homemade torch. When you remove the bulb, you can see the bulb will not glow. When you touch the longer terminal to the, you can see the bulb glows. This is a homemade torch. You can do this with a ordinary electric bulb, torch bulb. This is the homemade torch. So next we'll study what is a switch. A switch means it is a simple device that completes the circuit or breaks the circuit. How to make an electric switch? For that, what are the things needed? A small sheet of cardboard, or you can take a thermocol piece also. Then two drawing pins can be taken. Two drawing pins, a safety pin and two wires. Now I will show you how to make this electric that is switch. Insert this drawing pin into the ring of the safety pin. And then fix it on the cardboard sheet. So that this safety pin can be easily rotated like this. Then now in a way that the free end of the safety pin can touch it. Free end of the safety pin can touch it like this. Okay. So that it can be easily rotated. The safety pin can be easily rotated, and this is the simple switch. Now you can wrap the wires on this two drawing pins. Wrap the wires on these two drawing pins. Wrap the wires on the two drawing pin. Now this is the simple switch. Now by using this, we can make a circuit, electrical circuit, where we can connect an electric cell and a bulb with this simple switch, and we can see how the bulb glows.